me. So I had to remove my goods from the wall, जो मैंने किया nail cutter से.
And then I had to find a new home, so I found this corner in my room where I keep my plants. So then I thought मेरा कुछ इधर अच्छा लगेगा, and it did.
And then I had to plan on how I wanted it to be and where I wanted it to be.
And then I went ahead and just nailed it to my wall, and I created a little crack on my goods, but it's fine. It's not a big deal. Big flex, I'm allowed to do all this, and I do all this. But like my dad didn't know I was doing this.
So since I said I got a crack on there, I had to make sure it still works because like I'm responsible if something happens. और ये रही मेरी खूबसूरत खाली खाली दीवार. And my goods looks good. See, I told you. So I had this Pinterest board on what I wanted on my wall. So then I just went and downloaded the images I wanted. And then I just like had them in my gallery and I just drafted a mail to myself. फिर मैंने मेरा mail कंप्यूटर में खोला और उधर वापस सारे photos download किए. और फिर I played with the printing settings a bit until I liked it and then I printed them out. And once they're printed out, I just took a good look at them, making sure they look nice, and then I began cutting. But then when it came to my Mustang, I had to kind of like, take a cut. और फिर मैंने सोचा कि ओके अब तो प्रिंट्स हाथ में आ गए हैं लेकिन मैं किसको किधर चिपकाऊंगी. So I just made this little plan in my head, but I was like, what? It kind of didn't make sense much. So I was like, you know what? I'll just go with the flow. Because I did this exact same thing once before on my door. Like, I still have the collage on my door. So going with the flow, it went nice. Right, but even though like after like you see I'm planning again and then I once again did not go with my plans, so I should just stop planning. Planning is useless. And then I took a bold move. I drew directly on my wall and then I took a marker and I just started coloring those stars. Honestly, they made it look better.
Yeah, but my stars, they're not so good. Like, I think one day I will have to go with them again with the marker. Because some corners are big and some are small.
I was drawing on a wall. What do you expect? Anyways, no one is perfect, okay? And look, it looks good. And I have these pixel hearts. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use them somewhere. But before that, I burnt up the corners of some bows that I made. And then I went ahead and put them on my wall because aesthetics. Yes, I do not know how to use the lighter, please. Don't bully. So going ahead and sticking them on my wall because, excuse you, I'm just a girl in the world, okay? And it looks good. See, the bows, they add touch. And then I found some old storybooks with like images in them. So I thought like, I could rip something out and put them on my wall. But like, I didn't really find anything useful except for this one like, map or whatever it was. So it kind of went like nice with the flow. So I was like, okay, you know what?
You can go on my wall. And then I put on one more bow, a big bow, because you can never have enough bows. But then I forgot to
burn it. So I had to burn it after I put it on my wall. But it's okay. It looks nice.
It's good, okay? And then I put up those hearts, those Minecraft health hearts.
And this is how it looks. So stay tuned to see what else I do in my room. Bye.